What's the meaning of Brasso? Brasso. Brasso.
Brasso. Brasso. Brasso is a brand of metal polish that is used to clean and restore the shine to various metal surfaces, such as brass, copper, chrome, stainless steel, and pewter. When applied to the surface with a soft cloth and buffed in, Brasso removes tarnish, stains, and rust, leaving a bright and lustrous finish. The cleaning formula contains a mild abrasive and chemical solvents that dissolve oxidation and grime without damaging the metal surface. Brasso is easy to use and produces excellent results in a short time, making it a popular choice for restoring the shine to household items like candlesticks, doorknobs, and trophies.